Ilang beses ko nang nakikita sa newsfeed ko itong new girl group na 'to that call themselves Wink. So, akala ko nung una is parang V-Vink because it's a bit odd kung paano nila sinspell yung pangalan nila. But I really noticed na very catchy yung Pinoy song nila. So, I had to check kung ano or what the internet is saying about them. So, as of this moment, they are already 56 or 60,000 views on YouTube. And not bad for the first song talaga. Kasi they have just made a debut under Flip Music Productions. And so far, so good. Yung song nila na Tulala really grows on you. So sa una, parang hindi mo pa siya kaagad maa-appreciate. But habang tumatagal, maganda pala yung song, no? It's a bop. Ang dali niyang maging LS or LSS ba yun? Last Song Syndrome. And it will keep playing on your head paulit-ulit. And then eventually, inad ko na nga siya sa playlist ko after the umaaligid ng SB19. Of course, I watched their music video and of course, because they are just starting, hindi mo talaga makikita na high budget yung music video nila. And even yung mga damit nila is still a work in progress. Pero when I saw them perform doon sa arena, sa basketball arena, I realized na malaki yung potential nila. They have really strong facial features, so the members are very memorable, which is very important if you are launching a girl group. And apart from that, marunong din silang gumawa, magsulat ng sarili nilang song. I think this is one of the major things kung bakit sila napapansin. Because there are a lot of girl groups that are cropping up right now, pero ang distinct advantage nila is that the members are able to create their own music. So, yung isa sa members nila dito, alam na natin na she co-created o wrote yung isang hit song from a popular girl group. And so this is the reason actually na maraming expectation sa kanila. Pero hindi lang yon kasi when I checked, magaling talaga sila sumayaw. Each of the members, I checked their TikTok account and kapag sumasayaw sila ng mga dance covers, actually magaling sila and the choreography of Tulala is also very memorable and very cute. Mahirap siya actually sayawin pero it grows on you, meron siyang dating, hindi siya corny or hindi sila cringe. So makikita mo na